Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and it has been a while since I have updated you on my Pan That palette for the year of 2019. The last update I made was in February, so we're just a little overdue, not too bad. I think I should have uploaded this on March 20th and now it is sometime in April. I'm not totally sure when this is going to go up, but I do have some things to update you on. I have a bit of progress, so I thought I would show you. I know that people are very interested in these videos, so I thought it was a disservice not to show you and update you. So we're going to do that today. During 2019, I am project panning the Naked 3 palette. If you want to hear my spiel about why I chose this palette, you can catch my intro. I will link it down below, but I am panning this, and along with this, I am working through my Super Shock shadows, my Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and in the beginning of the year, I had thrown in this Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Puppy Love. My goal with my Super Shock shadows is to hit pan on them, and the pan that we're looking for looks something like this. So in the center of every Super Shock shadow is a little disc. So I did hit my goal on this specific Super Shock shadow. I wanted to see the disc in the middle, and I did that, which I'm really glad for because this specific Super Shock shade has dried up. I've tried reviving it and it just doesn't work on this shade. I don't know if it's just the formula of this one, so I'm probably going to end up tossing this one just because I used to absolutely love it, but it's lost its luster and I cannot get it back. So that's unfortunate, but I did hit my goal on this, so we're gonna roll that one out. And I did kind of roll in this one last time because I figured I was gonna hit my goal on that one between updates, so I did share with you that this is the one that I was gonna roll in. I think I only used it once, so there's really no update, but just so you know, this is the Colourpop Super Shock shadow that I am rolling in to my Pan That palette for the year of 2019. It is the shade Co-Pilot. It's very similar to Puppy Love, which is the one that I had in originally, so here you can see it's a baby pink shimmer color. Let me give it a swatch. So this is what it looks like. Unlike Puppy Love, this still has quite a bit of metallic sheen to it and is a little bit wet still. So I'm really excited to use this one and try and hit pan on it. Well, not try and hit pan on it. I will hit pan on it. But not really much progress or anything. Not really much to update you except that this is now in my project pan and I'm excited to try it and use it. Also though, I think that this will go very well with the Naked 3 palette because this is very rosy toned, and then this is a rosy light pink color. All right, so what you're very excited about, the progress on the Naked 3 palette. So I think last time, I should know this, I'm pretty sure last time I had pan in I had pan in Strange and Limit. So only 2 shades. And now I have pan in 3 shades, which is very exciting. So only 1 more shade. So as you can see, there is still pan in Strange and Limit, but we also have pan in Nooner. As you can see that kind of shimmer every once in a while. Ooh, right there. Look, there it is. So I do have pan in 3 shades. These 2, I've definitely expanded the pan in quite a bit. I've also expanded the dip in these 2 shades and this shade right here. I've used almost all of these shades. I haven't used these 2 very many, but I think I have used this one a fair amount of times. I've been using this one quite a bit because I really want to hit pan on it. I think that the next shades I'm gonna hit pan on are this one and this one. I'm pretty sure that those are going to be the next ones that I hit pan on because I've got quite the dip in this one. I use this one a lot to darken the outer corner of my eyes, and I've been using this one a lot all over the eyes, and then this shade right here I've been using as an inner corner highlight quite a bit. So definitely not too much progress, but there's definitely progress. I hit pan on another shade, have been expanding the crap out of those other 2 shades, and then have been steadily working away at the other shades in this palette. So I'm very excited about the progress. I know that there's not too much, but I thought I would update you because there's definitely progress in here, and I'm very excited about it. I have been using this pretty frequently during the work week because it's easy to come up with a look. The look is very soft and natural, which is appropriate for my line of work, which is just administrative. So I haven't found it too hard to use that. I do have a lot of project pans going on right now, which in that way can make it a little bit difficult to make sure to reach for that when I have 2 other palettes that have project pan shades in them. So I have been using those, and I think I haven't used this too much in like the last 2 weeks because I've been working on those other ones, but I have been using it and we are seeing progress, which is good. We are though a third of the way through through the year. So I'm really gonna have to kick my butt into gear to make sure that I hit pan on more of these shades. Oh, I didn't mention that, but in case you didn't know, my goal with this palette is to hit pan on all shades from here all the way over. So these last two darkest shades, I'm not worried about hitting pan on, but I do want to hit pan on all of these shades. We are 3 out of 10, so not doing too bad. I guess we'll see how I do, but I thought I would update you on my progress thus far. If you like Project Pan videos, definitely check out the rest of my channel. I've got a lot of them going on and a lot of updates that I need to film. So if you like Project Pans, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to subscribe for more content, more Project Pans from me. Don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.